Hello friends of gasoline cars. In this video I will start restoration of my car. It's a Mercedes-Benz. It's CLK 430 AMG. Yes, it's AMG, not AMG. Learn it. And big problem is rust. It's old car. It's 2001. I will start repairing the rust. So as you can see on fenders there is a problem, so I use my welding skills. Another problem, and okay, fifth door looks this. Yes, it's old car. These are common problems of every old cars. Now I leave the car and show you the big rust and big problem that I start repairing first. Okay. The bottom of car looks fine, and so there is some rust, but this looks fine. But there is a problem. This car stay 1 or 2 years on grass, and stay your car on grass is the worst place to stay your car, because humidity from grass can destroy your car like this. So I'm remove left sill. As you can see, the plastic part. Yes. So here, not looks too bad, but I only fix all the rust here. But it's look good, not too bad. So okay, remove the right sill now. Look at this. This is good, but the rear end is so much worse than left side. Oh yeah. Yeah. So I removed all bumpers, fenders, and now the car is ready for start cutting, because there is a lot of rust. As I say, still okay here. But the worst thing is this is a big problem. Yeah. Other side is same. Now it's ready for welding. Right side is almost finished. So look. The right side is complete. So take a look. This part is completely rusty, so I decided to make my own, like this. It's from this metal sheet, and nice fit. Okay. Left sill and fender is complete. Look at this. think it looks very good. So now the front of the car. The front of the car, there is a few small holes. Here, here, and here. So this under fuse box. So I must disassemble all the parts of fuse box. Here first I must disassemble the interior floor. There is so much small holes. Now I hate this car, really hate. So I must keep working. Weld work of front of the car. These parts is complete. So now I'm assembling these cables, fuse box, and all these plastic parts. I'm finished all the weld work on this car. I'll show you. This is the hole in the floor. And next is this. Okay. I'm ready to use my angle grinder for the welds, and after that I will paint this car. Grinding is done. Look. This. Look good. Other side. Still. Here I put a kit. There is a first layer of paint. This is a basic paint. Look. And here. Okay. Here is a kit. There is a first layer of paint. This is a basic paint. And the kit is ready to grind, so this is the next step. So now I put filler, second side, on another side, yeah, filler, and it's ready. Okay, this fender is ready for kit. Let's put the primer. And I complete the back of the car, these plastic parts, bumper, it's ready. And last thing is complete other parts, but this is the fenders. It's ready for assembly, as you can see. So I'm still completing the car. Look, fenders, both both fenders. Now I put the seal left and right, and it's almost done. So now the car is complete. I put 100 octane gasoline. I must put front wheels. I assembled the front bumper. So now it's ready to get out from garage, and after that I clean up the whole car. There is too much dust. It's time to wash the car. It's complete. My restoration part 1 is done. It's complete. Now look at the car.